exercise we will discuss incenter and excenters. So what is incenter, what is excenter? So before that circumcenter. So circumcircle, circumradius. So I am taking a triangle. So ABC is the triangle. So the circle which passing through all the vertices of the triangle. So triangle ABC. This is the circle which is passing through all the vertices of the triangle. This circle is called circumcircle. So and this center is called circumcenter, and the distance between center to any point on the circle, any vertices, this is also equal to radius, circumradius, which is represented with a capital R. Circumradius is capital R. So the center is called circumcenter, the circle is called circumcircle, and this radius is called circumradius. Okay, so this we discussed in the first exercise. So in the second exercise, in circle, in radius, okay, in center. First I am taking a triangle. ABC is the triangle. So ABC is the triangle. If we draw a circle which circumscribes all the sides, so if we are drawing a circle within the triangle, so the circle which touches all the sides of the triangle, then the circle is called incircle. And this center is called incenter. The radius is denoted with smaller, and this radius is called inradius. Okay, this is capital R is circumradius. This is inradius. Next, excenters and x radius. So I am taking a triangle ABC. So I am producing AB and AC. Okay, so I want to draw a circle which touches this AB extended line, AC extended line, and this BC. So this circle is called X circle, and the radius of the X circle, so it is opposite to A, it is equal to R1. If it is opposite to B, it is R2. There exist three X circles with radius R1, R2, R3. Corresponding to angle A, opposite to the angle A, the circle is called X circle with radius R1. Opposite to B, X circle with radius R2. Opposite to C, X circle with radius R3. So this is the information. Actually, how these circles will exist. So first, this circumcenter. So if all the perpendicular bisectors are concurrent, the point of concurrency of perpendicular bisectors is called circumcenter. So here for incenter, for all angle bisectors are concurrent, the point of concurrency is called incenter. So here one angle, internal angle bisectors, two external angle bisectors are concurrent. So the point of concurrency is called excenter. There exist three excenters, so three radius. Those are R1, R2, R3. So these are the radius. Okay. Now we will do some problems. First, we will discuss some formulas. So formulas are. First one, delta equal to R into S. Delta equal to R into S. So second, R equal to S minus A of tan A by 2. S minus A of tan A by 2 equal to S minus B of tan B by 2 equal to S minus E of tan C by 2. So R equal to S minus A of tan A by 2, S minus B of tan B by 2 equal to S minus E of tan C by 2. Next, small r equal to small a by cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 equal to b by cot c by 2 plus cot a by 2 equal to c by cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2. So c by cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2. Next, fourth. Next one, small r equal to 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So small r equal to 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So next, one more, some more. Fifth, r1 equal to delta by s minus a, r2 equal to delta by s minus b, r3 equal to delta by s minus c. r1, r2, r3. r1 equal to delta by s minus a, r2 equal to delta by s minus b, r3 equal to delta by s minus c. Next, r equal to s tan a by 2, not r, actually it is r1, s tan a by 2 equal to s minus b cot c by s minus c cot b by 2, s minus c cot b by 2 equal to s minus b cot c by 2. So if we need r1, either s tan a by 2. If we are taking s minus c other than c, b, already it is a. r1 means first we are taking in corresponding to a. If we are taking s minus c cot b by 2, s minus b cot c by 2. If we are not taking s minus b, s minus c, if we are taking simply s tan a by 2. Next, this is about r1. Similarly, we will write r2 and r3 also. So next, third, r1 equal to a by tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2, tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2. This is r1. So previously r equal to a by cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. Other than cot, tan. So r2 equal to b by tan a by 2 tan c by 2 plus tan a by 2. r3 equal to c by tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2. Next, so r1 equal to 4r sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. So here smaller formula 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 all signs. Here r1, 1 means a sin remaining cos. r2, 2 means b sin other than cos. 4r cos a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2. Next, r3, 4r 3 c sin 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2 sin c by 2 sin c by 2. So these are the formulas we are using, and two more formulas are there, so which are in examples. So we will discuss those two also, because those examples are used to solve the problems. So example 1. So example 1 is, prove that in triangle ABC, prove that 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 minus equal to 1 by r. So first two examples formulas are also important. So I want to explain these two examples, and you must remember the formulas also. 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 equal to 1 by r. So we must remember this formula. First, r1 equal to delta by s minus a. r1 delta by s minus a. r2 delta by s minus b. First, reciprocal of r1, 1 by r1 equal to s minus a by delta. 1 by r2 equal to s minus b by delta. Similarly, 1 by r3 equal to s minus c by delta. I am adding LHS. 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 implies 1 by r1 equal to s minus a by delta plus 1 by r2 s minus b by delta plus 1 by r3 s minus c by delta. So taking LCM delta numerator s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c. Overall s plus s plus s, vs minus common of a plus b plus c by delta. 3s a plus b plus c, 2s by delta. This is equal to 3s minus 2s, s by delta. Already what we have, delta equal to r by s. So r by s. So r being this side, delta being this side, r s. Delta by s equal to what? R. So reciprocal of delta by s, s by delta. So reciprocal of 1 by r. Therefore 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 equal to 1 by r. So this formula is useful and simplification are also important. So we must remember this formula also. And one more is second example. Example 2 is show that R, R1, R2, R3 equal to delta square. So we need to prove R, R1, R2, R3. This formula also important. So I want to prove this one. LHS R, R1, R2, R3. R formula delta by S. R1 delta by S minus A, delta by S minus B, delta by S minus C. Delta by S minus A, delta by S minus B, delta by S minus C. How many deltas? Delta power 4 by S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we have Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Under root of S of S minus A of S minus B equal to delta. Actually it doesn't contain root, so it is area square. Delta square power 4 by delta square. Delta square cancel. So we will get a delta square. Therefore R, R1, R2, R3 which is equal to delta square. So this is the solution. So these two formulas are also very important. We must remember. Okay. Next question. Example 3. In an equilateral triangle, find the value of small r by capital R. Small r by capital R. We need to find out small r by capital R value. First, solution. In an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is nothing but all angles are equal to 60 degrees. Angle A equal to, angle B equal to, angle C equal to 60 degrees. All angles are equal to 60 degrees, then it is equilateral triangle. So A by 2 equal to, B by 2 equal to, C by 2 equal to 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Okay, sin 30 value 1 by 2. Sin A by 2 equal to sin B by 2 equal to sin C by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Since all these are 30 degrees, all these values are equal to 1 by 2. So now R by capital R. So what is the formula for small r? 4R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2 by already it is given capital R cancel 4 into sin A by 2 1 by 2, sin B by 2 1 by 2, sin C by 2 1 by 2, 2 into 2 4 cancel, this is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, next fourth question. The perimeter of triangle ABC, the perimeter of triangle ABC, the perimeter of triangle ABC is 12 centimeters. is 12 centimeters, and its in radius is 1 centimeter. Then find the area of the triangle. Okay, so here perimeter is given and area is given. We need to find out the area. Solution. Perimeter. So perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c equal to given, which is equal to how much? 12. A plus b plus c, 2s equal to 12. S equal to half of 12. Next, in radius, small r equal to given how much? 1 centimeter. This is 6 centimeters. Area delta equal to r into s. 1 into 6 equal to 6 square centimeters. So this is the answer. Next, question number 5. Show that R1 equal to S minus B into S minus B into S minus C. R1 equal to S minus B, S minus C. So LHS R into R1. R formula delta by S minus S into delta by S minus C. So delta into delta square by S into S minus C. So delta formula under root, delta square root will be cancelled. S minus C, S minus B, S minus C by S into S minus C. S cancel, S minus C cancel. Overall, S minus B into S minus C. So this is the answer. Next, question number 6. Express A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C by A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C by A plus B plus C. In terms of what? In terms of R, capital R and small. In terms of capital R and small. Okay. So solution. I want to write the given expression. A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C by A plus B plus C. This is given. Okay. Small a equal to 4r sin A. Already cos A. Next, small b 4r, not 4r, 2r sin A sin B. Okay, small a equal to r sin A, small b equal to r sin B, cos B, small c 2r sin C, cos C by a plus b plus c equal to s. So r common, 2 sin A cos A sin 2a, 2 sin B cos B sin 2b, 2 sin C cos C sin 2c by 2s. Okay, so now this one. So r into sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Since we are doing in triangle ABC, we can write directly. So sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4r sin A sin B sin C. We can write 4r sin A sin B sin C. Okay. Or else we can do sin C plus sin D formula. So since I will write the information, it is in triangle ABC, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4r sin A sin B sin C. So we done so many times this one. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c, we already proved this one. So this is equal to 4r sin A sin B sin C. If you remember, you will write directly, no problem. But if you don't know, you must solve. So implies r into 4 sin a sin b sin c 4 sin a sin b sin c by how much 2s by 2s. Okay, 2 into 2 getting cancelled, so 2 r sin a sin b sin c by s. So I want to multiply and divide with r by r. Then what happen? So 2r square sin a sin b sin c, 2r square sin a sin b sin c by s into r. So numerator 2r square sin a sin b sin c is the formula for area of the triangle. Delta by s into capital R. Delta by s equal to small r by capital R. So small r by capital R is the required solution. We need to express capital R and small r. We got small r by capital R in terms of this one. Okay, this is the required solution. Okay, next question. 7th. In triangle ABC, delta equal to 6 square meters, delta equal to 6 square meters, and s equal to 1.5 centimeters, and s equal to 1.5 centimeters. Find our solution. Delta equal to 6, s equal to 1.5. So r equal to delta by s, 6 by 1.5. So 6 by 3 by 2 we can write. So 6 into 2 by 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. R equal to 4. This is the solution. Next, 8. Show that R1 cot a by 2, R1 cot a by 2 equal to delta, Okay, so I want to write the formulas. R, first R1, LHS R1 cot a by 2, R formula delta by s minus s, R1 formula delta by s minus a. So cot a by 2 formula in terms of denominator delta. So s into s minus a by delta. So delta cancel, s minus a, s cancel. Overall one more delta we got. So this is equal to RHS. So we are writing all the formulas: delta by s minus a, cot a by 2, s into s minus a by delta. So all the terms getting cancelled except one of the delta. So answer is delta. Okay, next, 9th one. 9th question is, if a equal to 13, b equal to 14, c equal to 15, find R. A 13, B 14, C 15. Okay, we need to find out the value R. So R equal to, what is the formula for R? R equal to delta by S. So if we find A plus B plus C, we will get S. We need to find the delta. So first S equal to A plus B plus C by delta. 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. 13 plus 14, 27 plus 15, 42 by 2 equal to 21. So delta equal to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S 21, S minus A, 21 minus 13, 8, 21 minus 14, 7, 21 minus 15, 6. I want to divide into factors. 7 into 3, 2 into 2, 8, 7, 2 into 3. So 2 times 7, bringing outside 1 times 7. 2 times 3, bringing outside 1 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2 bringing outside 2 2. 7 into 3 21 into 2 42 into 2 84. So area equal to 84. Now R equal to delta by S. Delta equal to how much? 84. S equal to 21. Cancel 4. R equal to 4. This is the answer. Next, 10th question. 10th one is, if R equal to R1 R2, then find B. So R2 equal to R1 R3. Solution. I want to write all the possible formulas. Okay. R formula delta by S minus B, delta by S minus A, delta by S minus C. Delta cancel. Bringing these two this side. S minus A of S minus C by S of S minus B. So actually square root of that one we have one formula. We have formula for under root S minus B, S minus A, S minus C by S of S minus C. S of S minus B. That is the formula of tan square B by 2. So this is equal to 1. Tan square B by 2 equal to 1. So tan B by 2 equal to 1. So bringing square outside root 1. So tan B by 2 equal to 1 implies B by 2. When it is equal to 1, 45. So B equal to 90 degrees. So the B is the right angle.